It is 11:06 a.m. Thursday, January 4th, 2018 here in glorious Tabb, Virginia, and it's the blizzard of 2018. Our family's from New England, so, well, to tell you the truth, this is a pretty big storm. I'm not going to look down on this one. It's a doozy. It's pretty out. Glad I'm not out in it. This is one of the benefits of being self-employed, and I don't ski anymore. So I'm not going out there. Oh, I have to go out to feed the birds. So I will go out there one time. It is going to be cold. There's a chickadee right there up in the crepe myrtle. They always talk about the birds flying south, but the birds that stay are hardy and tough. They always get right out in it. Okay, that's all for now from glorious Tabb, Virginia, home of the blizzard of 2018.